Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Asos account. So Asos is a shopping platform that offers a large selection of fashionables on the application and website, making it easy for you to choose the product you wish to purchase. Now without any further ado, let me show you how you can create your own account on Asos. So after downloading the Asos application, simply tap on the app and launch the application. Okay, here we go. Now let's wait for some time until the application is loading. Now once you are here, just at the top, you can see your country. So firstly, you can change your country if you wish to by tapping on change. Now tap on deliver to option. Now search for your country according to your location. Now after this, at the bottom, you have to select your gender. Now after selecting it, you will be led to this page. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on the person-like icon. Now over here, if you already have an account, tap on sign in, or if you are new here, just simply tap on the option of join. Now over here, tap on continue. Now after this, you will be led to this link. And if you wish to, you can even sign up with your Google account, Apple ID, or even your Facebook account. So for now, I'm just gonna sign up using my email address. So now in this field, let me enter my email address. Now let's start by entering our first name and then just enter your last name as well. Now simply enter your password. Also make sure that your password is of 10 or more characters. Okay, here we go. Now after this, choose the date of birth. First, let's select the day over here. Now let me select day and now just select your birth month. Now select your birth year as well. Now after this, you can choose any of these options given below. However, this process is optional. For now, let me tap on the option of women's wear. And now, just below that, you can even see the option of contact preferences. You can even tap on clear if you don't want to get notifications regarding discounts and new drops. So now if you tap on the option of clear, the check mark is removed. So I'm just going to tap on select all and then tap on join Asos at the bottom. Now let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Now let's wait for some time. And after this, you'll come to this page. Just tap on the option of I am not a robot for verification. Now after this, within a matter of seconds, you can see that your Asos account has successfully been created. Now you can use your account to shop for various fashionable items and make an order accordingly. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.